Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
So you
Great.
enjoyed your weekend?
Yes.
Yes.
Great, great. So we did decision making tool last week.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
you are feeling after making decision making tool? Nadim ji, tell me.
Yeah. I felt good because I used to take a lot of decisions, wrong decisions in my life. So after doing that decision making, now I'm confident that whatever decision I'm taking, I'm going through a process. So it will not become wrong, or even if it becomes wrong, I know how to take again, coming back to this tool and try to take good steps.
You are right. And how about you, Hemaji?
Yeah, decision making is a good. I got clarity which decision I taken wrong and which decision I taken right, and I got clarity and I saw my mistake, and in future I will improve that. That is the got I got clarity.
Very nice.
Very wonderful tool, amazing.
Yeah, true, true. Even when I used it, it helped me a lot. In till now, I use it sometimes whenever I need to take some major decision. So when we take, we have observed that when we take a decision, and if the decision is right, we get a different kind of happiness. And happiness definitely glows our face and happiness around us. So today, our next activity is also about happiness, which is called buzz movement. So I would like to know from you, what do you understand by buzz movement?
Buzz is
Himani.
create your buzz, something create your buzz in your life. That is a buzz movement in my perspective, and maybe, but not got clarity. You say more about
Don't
this.
worry, we will
Yeah, yeah,
explain
yeah.
it in detail. Nadimji, how do you understand? What do you understand by buzz movement?
Yeah, buzz. It should be life has to be buzz. There should be some kind of good things.
Yeah, correct. So the buzz moment is basically a magical moment, or the moment where you forget about timing and you enjoy the most. So what are the activities, Hemaji, you enjoy the most? What is the most enjoyable activity for you?
Shopping, chit chat with the friends, driving with me time, and alone driving alone, and coffee with the coffee, and listening music that time, and meditation. That is also my I do love meditation, traveling, and around the world. Definitely, that is I love to do.
How about you, Nadimji?
Yeah, living the life to the fullest. So I like sports. I like adventures. I like
Yeah.
dancing. I like fun. I like everything. So
So
yeah,
like I will tell you what buzz moments is actually.
right.
Where do you spend most of your time? We are happiest when we enjoy what we do and are doing what comes naturally. Time stops when we are in the magic moments. So we are going to work on getting more of these magic moments. You are in what I like to call is buzz moments. Buzz movements can be created by doing many things. You can now create buzz movement like doing, some people do reading, coaching, eating, taking pictures, writing, cooking. Different people have different kind of buzz movements. If you want to be happier, you need to create more buzz moments by knowing following things. Be aware of what your buzz activities are. We should know what we enjoy most and add more and more buzz moment activities in our daily life. It's easy to create buzz moments when you know how, and by simply discussing it with the right people. That way, you will discover exactly what you need to do. But you create more of these kinds of buzz moments when you are clear on what you are good at, what you love to do, what you are passionate about. So this part of Incredible You program is about getting you, giving you more clarity and making some decisions about how to incorporate more of these into our life. The perfect formula for this is the combination of skill, love, passion is a very special formula. It makes unique because no one else has the same thing to offer to you. Finding and utilizing your buzz movement is what you mean to do. So there is an activity we have to do. It consists of two steps I will explain. This buzz movement activity has certain number of questions which you need to answer. So I will ask questions one by one to you. So Nadeem ji, I will ask you first.
Yeah.
It is time to clarify and identify the buzz movements so you can access them at your will and you can create the list. What do you love doing?
I love playing sports, doing adventure, and traveling. Traveling is my, very happiness, and going into the nature, doing shopping online.
What activities do you do where time just disappears?
Photography in the nature, sometimes dance is one of my buzz moments.
Correct. If money, time, and family commitments are not obstacles, what would you do? And
yeah, most of the time I spend in the buzz moments only. Maybe that's why I'm not earning a lot of money, but
no problem. At least you are enjoying your life.
Right.
So, buzz moment. What did you enjoy doing as a kid from age 4 to 18, like that?
Yeah, I've always been always playing and always traveling. So this all gives me happiness.
You can make a list of all the things which you keep on enjoying, and you can keep on increasing the list because as we grow up, the things keep on adding to it. But at the same time, what are you really good at? And list everything you can think of, no matter how irrelevant they are at this moment to you. What you are really good at?
Yeah, playing sports, doing dance. I feel I dance well, but I don't know. People laugh sometimes. Whatever they feel, I don't care.
And what impact will you be having by having more buzz moments in your life?
It will actually stress buster. So it releases stress.
Correct. You're right. So what kind of resources you need to help to maximize your buzz moments? Who do you need to talk to as soon as possible?
Yeah, my friends. When I talk to my friends, I feel relaxed, I feel good, and I share with them.
Very true. So with these things, you analyze what are the buzz moments you already having in your life. And our main purpose of doing these activities is to maximize our buzz moments so that you can enjoy your life fully. So next step is maximizing the buzz moments. I will explain it to you, and I'll have few more questions which I'll ask with you, Hemaji. I'm sure you have realized that the secret of happiness is to incorporate as many buzz moments activities as you can into your life. You must accept that you will have to make changes, which is something difficult, but in the long run, it will help you to achieve success. Remember, the prerequisite to success is happiness. Here are some questions where will get in your mind working. It's time to get buzzing by deciding the things you need to do zoom towards happiness. Are you ready, Hemaji?
Yes.
So you choose 3 people which are important to you, and what would each of them want to tell you to read your list?
Okay.
Who are 3 people?
One my friends, one my family members, and one my maybe maybe colleague.
Okay, and you must be doing some buzz movements activities right now also. So how much time you spend in those buzz movement activities?
How much time? 4 hours.
Good. Are you currently creating these buzz movements in your life?
Yes.
Okay. What would happen into future if you focus on creating and building more buzz movements in the activity?
Happiness.
What additional buzz moment activities could you add into your life in future? And do you think what biggest impact it will have in your happiness?
Yes, definitely.
What new hobbies could you start and create more buzz moments?
Reading, writing. I will
Mhm.
start to more. I am enjoying more, and definitely meditation also. We will more time to spend in meditation and traveling with the friends. It's also
Yeah, correct.
great time.
What obstacles come to your mind when you imagine your life with more buzz moments?
What obstacle? No obstacle. There is no obstacle.
Okay, great. So like it means to say that if you need, you're adding new things into your buzz moment list. So
Yes.
you need to, like, for example, you said you want to do writing. So maybe you need a help for somebody else for developing it in a much better way. So
Yes.
that kind of obstacles they are talking about. So in the overall analysis, we all have seen that the buzz movements are giving more happiness to us, and as we increase our buzz movements in any way, it will spread the happiness all around us as well. Right. So with this, I will wrap up this session and we will do further exercises. So by that time, please applaud yourself for completing the activity nicely and
Yes.
clap for yourself so that we, and keep appreciating yourself and keep adding the list of buzz movements and share with me. Okay. I
Yeah,
would
yeah.
like to see your list.
Yes.
Okay. So see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.